Welcome back to Officer Justice Day. This video that I'm about to show you is the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, which is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have told the Nigeria federal government and also told the Justice Bintayako to immediately transfer him to Kuje prison so that he can get access to his own medical doctor, because he's dying in DSS and they are not bringing a good doctor to take care of him. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu voiced this thing out in this particular video that I'm going to show you, and what is the federal government is doing. Let me tell you people one thing. You see this man Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, if you people don't take time, it will be the end of everything. I'm telling you people the truth. People love this man so much and they are willing to do anything for this man. The silent you think the people keep quiet, don't take it for granted. The best thing to do here, transfer this man to where he can get access to his own medical doctor. If you find this man not guilty, release him immediately. This is a piece of advice that I get for you people. But holding this man, he no do anything. Yes, holding him, say he no do anything. So immediately release this man. Please, I will allow you to watch this video. Watch this video and listen for waiting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk. And before we go come back, continue.
The court is also entitled to change its mind as well, depending on the strength of the argument.
Thank you.
So we hope that they'll change their mind.
They are using it to do experiment against SS.
Exactly. So there is no way we're going to allow that to happen. My rights must be respected.
Is important.
My right to fair hearing must be observed and obeyed.
Understand that. They brought him to Kenya into this dock and allow him to talk without his
You were talking about your health condition. What exactly is wrong with you, sir?
I have congenital heart failure. Congestive heart failure is called. From the medication, you can tell. So they're basically trying to keep me alive. So that when they calculate that I'm about to give up, that my heart is about to pack up, they will now say go. So when I go outside, I will die outside. That's what they're trying to do.
The medications they've been giving to you, has it not been working?
It's not working. If it's working, why would I have all these lumps underneath my...
And he has written a petition to the Nigerian Medical Association, where they brought one quack doctor, somebody who is not a doctor, to treat him.
To come and try and treat me.
The doctor now, they have no...
They don't know what they're doing. And they know they don't know what they're doing. Or else, why would I have this?
As long as it remains in DSS custody, there won't be
no trial.
So what is your application for the court?
Is seeking for a non-custodial arrangement by the court.
You said house arrest.
Exactly. I don't mind house arrest because I'll defeat them. In this court, I'll defeat the government of Nigeria. Yeah. The whole world will see it. Where is the treasonable felon? Where is it? All these years, journalists are shouting, treasonable, treason. What's the treason today? It's gone. In some way, this terrorism charge will go. I'm thinking of another capital offense that can charge me with. Maybe, I don't know, impregnating the wife of somebody. I don't know what other thing they're going to charge me.
Are you saying you are innocent of all these charges?
The federal government, they know I'm not guilty. My only guilt is that I'm fighting for my people. And I will fight for them.
Okay, sir, last
for justice and fairness and equity everywhere.
Last question. Has your family been able to...
Anybody using IPOB to commit crime is a criminal. It's not part of this family. Our family is based on 4 cardinal points. You must be without fear before your enemies. You must speak the truth always, even if it leads to your death. You must help the poor and those who cannot help themselves, and be of good character that God may love thee. That's who we are.
So what will be your words to those out there in the East who are killing in the name of IPOB?
That they are criminals. They are criminals. They are not part of this family. We are called a family for a reason. We've come to serve our people, not to enslave them. Anybody conducting any type of activity that contravenes the welfare of our people is a criminal and must be dealt with.
Thank you very much, sir.
Any form of violence or subversion in the name of Biafra is not part of this family. Our family is noble. It's called IPOB. It's all over the world.
So you condemn anything that has to do with killing?
In total, why would I kill?
And violence.
People have sacrificed my parents for them. Why would I want to kill any other person after that?
So anybody who's committing crime in the name of IPOB
is a criminal.
Welcome back. As you have watched that video, please, I want you to share this video as many as you can so that other people go still they know wetin they go on for inside this matter. You don't hear everything wey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk for this video. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu need urgent medical attention, and if people ignore this, thinking that the public are not speaking, thinking that the people keep quiet because the leadership have begged them to remain calm. So if you're thinking that people are keeping quiet and they can do anything, as usual in Nigeria history, things that have been happening, and you walk away, not in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you people cannot do it and walk away. Release this man or give this man access to medical doctor. Anybody, even person where they want now today, say they never confirm am say na so it be, that person go get access to medical doctor, get access to any right where you get until the day. Now when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey cry talk outside say he need medical attention, you people should grant it immediately. Government will not dey listen to his people, that government dey fail woefully. And when the people go stand up or unleash their madness on that government, it go fail woefully again. So grant Mazi Nnamdi Kanu access to his medical doctor immediately. Ihe abanaka ade John earlier.